Watch and learn how to make this beautiful gown. So the first thing I'll do is to mark my baseline. So it's going to be a straight line on which I'm going to start with the shoulder measurement. So this is me marking the shoulder measurement. I'll move to the neck measurement, that is the wideness of the neck. After that, I'll go downward by 1 inch at the shoulder tip, then connect from that 1 inch I went downward to the neck width to make the shoulder slope. I'll go downward to mark my armhole depth. You know how to get your armhole depth. If you don't know that, go to my page, you're going to see a video on that. Then I'll take the bust measurement. After taking the bust measurement, I'm just going to connect it like this, then mark the armhole curve. If you don't know how to mark the armhole curve, I have a video on that already, so just go to my page. I'll mark the measurement of shoulder to the waistline, and after doing that, I'm going to mark the waistline measurement. But because we haven't taken the dart yet, so I'm going to make a fade line like this. Then I'll go by measuring or marking the bust span measurement, which is the nipple to nipple measurement across the pattern like this. After marking, I'm going to connect all the points together like this. Once you are done connecting all the points together, the next thing you want to do is to take out the dart on the waistline or on the underbust, depending on how you want it. So I'm going to take my own dart on the waistline. So taking the dart on the waistline, if you don't know how to determine how many inches you should take as your dart according to your customer's measurement, I also have a video on that. So just go to my page, then go through the video. You're going to see a video on how to know which dart size you should use, whether you should take 1 inch dart or 1.5 inches or 2 inches. I have a video on that already. After taking the dart, you want to connect with your French curve. As you watch, if you have not downloaded the StyleBit application, you are missing out a lot. StyleBit is an application designed for fashion designers to help us manage our businesses. On this application, you can save your customers' measurements, you can send invoice to your customers to remind them about any pending payment you are yet to receive from them. You can save orders. You also get access to a free fashion designer community where you can ask questions if you need any help. I'll leave a link in the comment section and also in the description box to download this StyleBit application. So just go to the comment section or you go to the description box to find the link to get StyleBit. Whether you use Android or you use iOS, just click on that link and you have the application. Back to the illustration. At this point, we are done with the dart. What I want to mark now is the shoulder to the hip line. So I want to measure and confirm the hip measurement. As you confirm the hip measurement, you may not want it to be fitted on the hip, so add some allowance. And also, as you confirm it, also take note of the dart you've taken out before you mark the exact measurement. So I move to the neck depth, then mark my neck shape. Then I want to mark out the heart shape below the neck. So this is me just doing it freehand. If you want to see a video of how to do it, how to go about the heart, a video dedicated for the heart alone, then you should follow this page because I'm going to upload that video very soon, just some hours after uploading this video. So if you want to see it, follow this page, like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to download the StyleBit app. Peace.